and welcome to 1 Minute with Belzona. I'm Tamara Hannon and I'm the marketing assistant here at the UK Harrogate office. And today I'm going through some solutions Belzona can help with the cement industry. Let's go. Cement production plants, like many other facilities, can suffer maintenance problems due to their aggressive environments caused by cement dust, chemical attacks, and dry or wet solids. Each of these can lead to accelerated rates of erosion and abrasion, and as a result, machinery and equipment become damaged. Belzona provides repair and maintenance solutions for the cement industry, some of which include conveyor belts for rips and unbonded cleats, ball mills for damaged internal surfaces, screw conveyors for severe abrasion caused by solids, and valves and pipes for corrosion by carrying liquids. Our solutions are created to help reduce downtime and save customers money by repairing and protecting the damaged assets rather than replacing them. This is also something that can help reduce your environmental impact. For more information on how Belzona solutions can help you in the cement industry, please contact your nearest distributor. We hope you've enjoyed watching 1 Minute with Belzona, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.